Hi everyone, I just wanted to explain why this vest didn't work out for me. Of course, you could probably get plenty of reviews online and get all the details. It was a nice fitting vest for jogging. However, I was trying to use it for weightlifting, and when doing that for weightlifting, frequent removals was not feasible with this design. It's got a lot of Velcro, making it difficult to change. So unless you're keeping this on for your entire duration of your exercise, it's not a good win here. I never actually tested it during jogging, but it does have nice pockets for cell phones and headphones, and the fit was pretty comfortable, but again, not for weightlifting. A zippered vest might have worked in this scenario, but the top is still pretty rigid if you're looking to bend your spine in any exercises.